I'm Daragh and I have a property on the water in Kerry in Ireland. The issue is that I was frequently getting floods from high sea levels and storms that happened in the winter. And we were using sandbags. Fundamentally, the big worry was that we were going to end up having flooded houses. It became imperative that we found a system that would help us to keep back the seawater. So the Dam Easy system is made fundamentally of stainless steel and has a rubber seal around the edges, which is unaffected by sea salt, which is just brilliant for us. So we've had 4 storms in the last 6 months since opening the Dam Easy system, and every occasion the system has worked and held the water back. I found, because a lot of the time it's just me here running the property, is that I could lift this and put it into place effortlessly and really fast. It's a great system.